Welcome back. Right now I have Toyota Voxy. It doesn't start. See when I try to start, no clicking sound, everything's quiet. But on the dashboard you have everything: check engine, ABS, battery. So let me go and confirm. So I had to disconnect the battery terminals because the battery had power. So the culprit here is the starter. So today I'm going to show you how to remove the starter, how to repair it, and how to install back. So I'm going to use the 12 combine to remove the main. This is the main wire of the starter. That. Then I'm going to use the 14 combine. You have two screws. That. So after that, this is the starter motor. So right now I want to repair this starter. First you need to unscrew two bolts, that 18mm bolts, like those ones. Then we have the main is a 12 nut. Then you're ready to remove the top cover. So you must remove that brush wire. So look at it, we have worn and tear. So you have to unscrew those two screws, that three. Like that. Then we have a lock behind here. Like that. Then you are ready to remove the armature. Look, this is the brush. The brushes are worn out. So this is the armature, but the armature still, but the brushes are worn out. So look, everything is still intact except the brushes. So I'm going to swap with a new brush. But you have to grease the sun gear and rain gears, the starter, to prevent wear and tear. These are the new brushes. See? So we are going to install back like that. Very easy. Then we have 3 back screws. These are 2. We have 1 screw like that. After that you need to install the armature. You're done. The next step is armature. Then the lock. Have 2 locks here. After installing the armature, then it's time to install back. Like that. Then those 2 bolts. very easy and you can do it on your own. Then after that we have the main, the 12 nut. Also you need to make sure that then it's time for testing. Before you install back, you must test if it's working perfect. These are the old, see, the brushes are worn out. See? It's working perfect. So the next step is to go back and install. This is the vehicle. Going to install back the way it was before. Very easy. So like that. Then we have those two boards. That. You need to make sure all those bolts are tight. That front. Then we have the main, the 12 nut. That. After taking the main, we have the solenoid switch socket or the ignition switch socket, like that. Then we are done. The next step is battery. So after that, we are going back to the vehicle so that we can start. We are done. So let me try half kick. See, everything is working perfect. So the main problem with this vehicle was the starter. Let me show you, the engine is working perfect. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.